Today I want to show you a kitchen garden that is 8 weeks after planting. This is for the warm season. We planted this in the middle of May and right now it's the middle of July. You're going to get to see how plants grow within about 8 weeks inside of a great setup with raised beds, great soil, and strong trellises. So come on inside and let's check it out together. So in this first bed, we used 4 of our Gardenary obelisk trellises. These are so much stronger than a tomato cage, and at least they're going to be able to support way more plants than a tomato cage. So we planted at least 4 tomato plants per obelisk trellis and surrounded the trellises on all sides. So you can see all this fruit that's happening. These are our midnight snack tomatoes. They're doing awesome. We've got some small little peppers here on the plants. We've got beautiful flowers and herbs. We've got sage and veronica. We've got some parsley, some Swiss chard. We've got some rosemary here. And then we have a few more of these beautiful peppers. These are a variegated leaf. I just think they're so pretty. We've got these huge tomatoes growing on the vine. These are almost ready to harvest. And then some more herbs. We got thyme and parsley, some marigold, lots more peppers here. Check out all these peppers that are growing on this plant. And then come around this side, we're going to show you all the basil that's ready to harvest. It's crazy. Here on this side, we have some peppers that are literally reaching for the sky. We've got some oregano, some rosemary, more flowers, and look at all of this delicious, such good smelling basil. These plants are super prolific. We've got some parsley here and some more sage on the end. Back here we have a bed planted just with strawberries and onions. This is for Ellie Holcomb's daughter. She wanted lots of berries, so we filled this entire bed. The berries are clearly very happy. They're getting well established and they'll fruit next spring. These are onions we planted to protect these berries from pests. And I don't know about you, but I think they're looking pretty healthy. I see like no spots on these strawberry leaves whatsoever. Back here is our major production bed. We have a ton of plants. Here we have dill that's going to flower. We have cucumbers back here. We've got some eggplants. We have tons of these tiny baby cherry tomatoes just like literally exploding on the vine. And then we have some eggplants here that are just starting to form some really nice sized fruit. We have peppers here on the plants. We've got more thyme, more chives. We got a weed here. Let's get rid of that. No room for weeds. We just want the plants, right, that we want to grow. We've got these really fun orange peppers, more small cherry tomatoes. Check out this bell pepper. Wow, it looks so good. We've got some small red peppers. We've got some beans. We've got a few more tomato plants. I mean, look at these huge plants. They are gigantic and just fruiting like crazy. Look at all these fruit on these plants. We've got some more eggplant, some more peppers, and then finishing up with more eggplant and more peppers. And we have an oh my gosh squash. Check it out. Look in here. It is this humongous squash. Whatever you do, don't wait that long. And then we finish off with even some more tomatoes right here at the entry of the garden. So all this happened in about 8 weeks. This is crazy growth. It's so beautiful. I just love this space. It's really filled out really wonderfully. It was pretty bare when we arrived 8 weeks ago. And I hope this encourages you to pack in the plants in your own garden space. Even here in this bed, we planted this mostly for flowers. We did zinnias by seed, and then we have these giant towers of basil. I mean, how amazing are these towers of basil? I think they're like 3 feet tall a piece. So get out there and plant some more plants. This is what I call Gardenary's intensive planting method. We do this in order to create a really healthy ecosystem in the garden where the soil dries out much more slowly. You don't have to water nearly as often. The nutrient stays inside the soil and the plants support one another. When you intensively plant, you actually have to work less in the garden, not more. So if you want to learn more about intensive planting and using the Gardenary method, you should check out Kitchen Garden Academy. You can learn more about the course right here below this video, and you can order all the things you need for your kitchen garden, including raised beds, steel edging, obelisk trellises, arch trellises, everything inside the Gardenary shop. We've got a link for that below this video as well. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this inspires you to plant more plants. I'll see you next time.